Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda CBR600RR performance. The first time you see the Honda CBR600RR, it's hard to look away. The aggressive stance, the sharp lines, the aerodynamic design, it's a bike that demands attention without even trying. But it's not just about how it looks. The CBR600RR is a machine built with purpose, engineered for performance, and designed to ignite a passion for riding the moment you twist the throttle. Sitting on it feels different from any other bike. The seat is perfectly sculpted, the clip-on handlebars are positioned for ultimate control, and the footpegs sit just right, giving you that race-ready posture without sacrificing comfort. It's not cramped or overly aggressive, it's the sweet spot where performance meets practicality. You start the engine, and it comes to life with a crisp, high-pitched growl that instantly sets your pulse racing. The inline-4 engine, a 599cc masterpiece, purrs at idle, but you know that beneath that calm exterior lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. The exhaust note isn't just noise, it's music to anyone who loves motorcycles. Twist the throttle, and the bike responds instantly. The sound rises in pitch, the vibrations hum through the frame, and you feel connected to the machine in a way that's hard to describe unless you've experienced it. This isn't just about speed, it's about how the bike delivers it. The throttle response is precise, almost telepathic. It feels like the CBR600RR knows what you want before you do. As you roll onto the open road, the bike feels light, agile, and perfectly balanced. Every input, whether it's a slight push on the bars, a shift in body weight, or a roll of the throttle, translates directly into action. The Showa big piston fork at the front and the Unit Pro Link rear suspension soak up imperfections in the road, keeping the ride smooth and stable. Lean into a corner, and the bike follows your line with laser-like precision. It's confidence-inspiring, the kind of handling that makes you want to find every twisty road you can and ride it just for the thrill of carving through turns. The CBR600RR isn't just a bike that performs well on the street, it's a bike born from the racetrack. Every detail, from its aerodynamic fairings to its high-revving engine, is inspired by Honda's racing heritage. The dual-stage ram air system feeds cool air directly into the engine, maximizing performance at high speeds. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps the bike agile while maintaining rigidity, giving you that perfect mix of stability and responsiveness. Braking is just as impressive. The radial-mounted 4-piston calipers grip dual front discs with authority, providing strong, progressive stopping power. Whether you're slowing down from triple-digit speeds or navigating city traffic, the brakes inspire complete confidence. The optional ABS adds an extra layer of safety, kicking in seamlessly when needed without interfering with the riding experience. But what really sets the CBR600RR apart is how it makes you feel. It's not just about the technical specs, the horsepower, or the top speed. It's about the connection you develop with the bike over time, the way it becomes an extension of your body, reacting instantly to your every move. The way it challenges you to become a better rider while rewarding you with an experience that's both thrilling and addictive. Riding isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the emotions, and the memories you create along the way. The CBR600RR turns every ride into an event, whether you're hitting the track, carving up mountain roads, or simply commuting to work. It's the kind of bike that makes even the most routine rides feel special. The design reflects its racing DNA. The sharp, aerodynamic fairings don't just look aggressive, they're functional, reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. The undertail exhaust adds to the bike's sleek profile while delivering a distinctive sound that's pure Honda. The LED headlights cut through the darkness with precision, while the compact tail section keeps the bike looking clean and purposeful. The attention to detail is everywhere. From the finely crafted instrument cluster that displays all the information you need at a glance to the high-quality switchgear that feels solid and intuitive, everything about the CBR600RR exudes quality. Honda's reputation for reliability means you can count on this bike to perform day in and day out, no matter how hard you push it. Fuel efficiency might not be the first thing you think of with a supersport bike, but the CBR600RR delivers impressive mileage for its class. The fuel-injected engine is optimized for both performance and efficiency, giving you plenty of range between fill-ups. The ergonomics are surprisingly comfortable for longer rides, with a seat that supports you without feeling too firm and handlebars positioned to reduce strain on your wrists. Whether you're riding across town or heading out on a weekend adventure, the CBR600RR proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort for performance. It's also a bike that's easy to personalize. The aftermarket support is huge, with options for everything from performance exhaust systems to custom bodywork, suspension upgrades, and more. Whether you're looking to squeeze out a few extra horsepower, improve handling, or just make the bike uniquely yours, the possibilities are endless. But even in its stock form, the CBR600RR is a masterpiece. It's a bike that feels right the moment you ride it, a perfect balance of power, handling, and style. For new riders stepping up to their first supersport, it's approachable without being intimidating. The smooth power delivery and predictable handling make it easy to learn on, while the performance potential keeps it exciting as your skills grow. For experienced riders, it's a reminder of why they fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. There's something timeless about the CBR600RR. It's a bike that has evolved over the years, incorporating the latest technology and engineering advancements, yet it has never lost the essence of what makes it great. It's fast, it's fun, and it's built to last. It's the kind of bike that stays with you, not just in your garage, but in your heart. The Honda CBR600RR isn't just about riding fast, it's about riding smart. The electronics package includes everything you need to enhance your ride without overwhelming you with unnecessary gadgets. The digital dash is clean and easy to read, giving you real-time data without distraction. The traction control system works seamlessly in the background, providing extra confidence in slippery conditions without interfering when you don't need it. It's all about enhancing the connection between rider and machine, not replacing it. Every ride on the CBR600RR is a reminder of Honda's racing pedigree. You can feel the years of development, the lessons learned on the track, and the passion of the engineers who built it. It's a bike designed by people who love motorcycles, for people who love to ride. And that passion is infectious. The sound of the engine at full throttle, the rush of wind as you accelerate, the feeling of the tires gripping the road, it all comes together to create an experience that's greater than the sum of its parts. It's not just a bike, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Every twist of the throttle tells a story. Every corner you carve adds a new chapter. Every ride is a chance to connect with something bigger than yourself. The open road, the freedom of movement, the simple joy of riding. Owning a CBR600RR isn't just about having a fast bike. It's about being part of a community, a shared passion that connects riders across the world. Whether you're riding solo or with friends, the CBR600RR brings people together. You'll find fellow enthusiasts at bike meets, track days, and on the open road, people who understand that motorcycles aren't just machines, they're a way of life. And that's what the Honda CBR600RR represents, a way of life. A life filled with adventure, freedom, and the thrill of the ride. A life where every day holds the promise of a new road to explore, a new challenge to conquer, and a new story to tell. It's more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of what's possible when engineering meets passion, when performance meets artistry, and when a machine becomes more than just metal and rubber. So, whether you're chasing lap times on the track, carving through twisties on a mountain pass, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, the Honda CBR600RR is ready to ride with you. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the destination, it's about the ride. And with the CBR600RR, every ride is unforgettable. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.